Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. 160 people are asked if they are vegetarian. 105 of these people are adults. The rest of the people are children. So 160 people in total. We've got minus 105. So let's write 105 over here. If we take that away from 160, you should end up with 55. And it says 37 of the children are not vegetarian. So this is the child section, not vegetarian. So let's write 37. And then 55 take away 37. It should give you 18. 55, that works. Okay, then 40% of the 160 people. So 40% is the same as 40 over 100. Multiply that by 160. Let's see if we can cancel this down. And what you're going to end up getting, let's get rid of this 0 and this 0, and this 0 and this 0. You want the denominator. 4 times 16 is equal to 64. So that gives us 64 people who are a vegetarian. Now, if it's vegetarian, what I need to do is I need to do 64. Take away this, which is a vegetarian, which is going to be 18. So let's take that away. And then what do we get? Let's cancel that down. We're going to have to borrow straight away. And then what happens over here? We're going to have to borrow straight away. What's going to happen over here is going to be that becomes a 5. And that's going to be a 1. 14 take away 8 is going to give you 6. And 5 take away 1 is going to give you 4. So it's 46. So 46 of these are vegetarian, which are adults. And then 105 minus 46. Let's do that over here. 105 minus 46. And then what you're going to get over here, you're going to have to borrow from over here immediately. Let's change that color. You have to borrow from over there. You have to borrow again from over here. So that will become a 0. I'm going to have to borrow immediately. That becomes a 9. That's going to become a 15. Then 15 take away 6, which is going to give you 9. 9 take away 4, which is going to give you 5. So 59 are going to be adults which are not vegetarian. So let's write that down. That's going to give us 59 over here. And that should be part A completed for 4 marks. One of the people that is not vegetarian is chosen at random. Find the probability that this person is an adult. So let's work it out. So this person is not a vegetarian. Okay, so let's work out the total number of non-vegetarians. That's going to be 59 from over here, not vegetarian, plus 37. And then find out this the probability that this is an adult. So the adult ones which are not vegetarian are 59. So therefore you end up getting something like this. Let's see if we can tidy all of that up. So therefore you should end up getting 59. Let's write that down. Finally you get 59 over here. And that gives you 59, which works out to be 59, and add these two numbers in the denominator. That's going to give you 50 plus 30 is 80, 9 over 96, and that should do the final. That should be the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.